Today's video will be about the App Store. The App Store icon down here in the bottom looks just like this. If you happen to not see that application icon down here anywhere in your dock, you can also go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and look for your magnifying glass. That is Spotlight. Typing in the letter APP will bring the App Store icon to the very top of the list. Double-click on the App Store icon to open the App Store. When the App Store actually opens, you will be presented with a page very similar to what you're seeing here, and I'm going to show you how to navigate the App Store. On the left-hand side, we have several options. The very first one is a search toolbar. You can use this to search the entire App Store for anything specific, a genre of applications or games, or if you already know the name of the title you're searching for. So in this case, I could type in casino and hit return. And now every application, game, or anything similar with the name casino in it will show up. As I scroll down, you are now seeing all the options. Going back to the left-hand side over here, you will see more options, starting with Discover. And this is a landing page for some of the most talked about or new applications that are available. And we can scroll up and down just like we did in the previous window. We also have Create for any software for creating anything from photos, video, or music. And one thing to note for all new users to the App Store is if an application is pay for, meaning it is going to charge or cost money, the pricing will be clearly presented below each application. As I scroll down, if there's an application that happens to say just get next to it, that means that application is free and does not cost any money. With that said, some applications have options to pay for specific features in an application. So in very tiny print here on the bottom, you will actually see that it says in-app purchases. And I can keep scrolling down just like we did before on the previous page. And now under Create, we will go to Work. Work is going to be mostly for productivity. So in this window, we will see stuff like calendaring programs, notes, to-do lists, and more. And I will scroll through this list to give you a basic idea. And under Play on the left-hand side again, this is where all of our fun happens. These are going to be the games we love, as they say here. And again, you guys can see the price tags next to specific games on whether they are a pay or free application. They will have videos built in, so you can actually see previews of those. And as I scroll down farther and farther in this, a lot of these windows will have more than one option or ways to scroll through several selections. Under Develop, these are for clients and users that are actually making software or applications. And the same idea, we can scroll through and take a quick peek at all the applications available. If you're not sure which application you're searching for and actually want to break it down into categories, this is a great way to look at stuff in specific categories, including video, social networking, utilities. I will go ahead and purposely choose weather in this case, and this will break down every weather application. If we find something we like under either top, paid, or free, clicking on the icon of that specific application will give you more info. So we're going to go ahead and click on Weather Dock. I can see not only the reviews, previews of photos, comments by other users like yourself and I, and those ratings are also based on the people that are actually downloading and installing the software. And the other really important one in the App Store is right here listed as updates. All of our updates for our Mac OS X operating system, our application updates, and more are located right in here. Gone are the days of going to the Apple menu in the top left. You will now be using the App Store to run any of your system updates or application updates. Well, that is it, everybody. That is the App Store. And hopefully you guys get a chance to download some of the great applications, games, or productivity tools as I showed you here. Thank you and have a great day.